Hello. Today we are going to talk about the functions of your label gun. We are going to teach you how to load it, how to ink it, how to dial in the correct information, how to adjust it, and how to clean it. And if all of those steps fail, and should it need a repair, where to send it to get quick and prompt repair. The first step we're going to talk about is how to load the label gun. Take your labels, okay, and give yourself a clean, straight edge to work with. Put your labels in over the top and resting in the label gun as such. With your thumbs behind the label gun and your fingers stretched, pull the labels in and up into the housing, and you'll hear it click in place. They should turn freely at that point. That completes step number one. Step number two is started by pushing the buttons that are on each side of the label gun. Push it towards the back of the label gun and the base plate will open freely. Place your labels, okay, hold the label gun like such, crease your labels, bring them down straight in front of the roll of labels till it slides out the bottom like that. Hold the label gun up in the air and close the base plate till you hear it click closed. That completes step number two. Step number three is to slide the edge of this label through the drive system till it comes out by the handle. The drive system is the part on the bottom when you click the trigger that goes forward and comes back, and it has a little half moon. Take the clear edge of the label, slide it directly through the drive system till it comes out the back of the gun. Keep clicking the labels till we get rid of all excess. It'll take 3 labels for it to self-adjust till the print is printing clearly. That completes loading your label gun. Next thing we're going to discuss is how to change an ink roller. Changing the ink roller requires you to hold the label gun in an upright manner, squeeze the trigger and hold it depressed. Put your finger on the corner of the housing and pull up till it comes out of the label gun. Let the handle go. Place it like such on the handle, holding it securely. There's a light gray ink roll holder. Put your fingers on either side, wiggle it side to side, and pull it up and away from the label gun. Put your label gun by the side. Now, take your ink roll holder, bend it backwards, and shake until the ink roller itself falls out of the ink roll holder. You will notice the ink roller needs to be replaced when there are lines in the ink roller and it's turned a funny cut, it turns a funny shade. Okay, take a new ink roller in a sealed package, reorder number 9625 from MedLabel. Okay, tear the opening on the top, take your ink roll holder, place it inside the plastic piece, and press down on each side firmly. You will hear each side click into place. Take your ink roll holder, take back the label gun, the male side to the female side, and slide it into place. Push it gently into the label gun and it'll disappear. Your ink roller and your ink roll assembly is now ready to produce nice and clear labels. Now, the third step that you need to know is dialing your label gun. Dialing it is the simplest task of all. Just pull out your column indicator to whatever column you desire. Turn it 12 positions forward till it stops, and then go the other way 12 positions back till it stops. Do not force past the stop. If you do that, you will break the springs inside, and the whole label gun needs to come in to our repair center for repair. When you're done dialing the information that you need on your label gun, slide it all the way in and then click the trigger and you'll get clear, nice print. That concludes the 3 main functions of what is needed to daily operate your label gun. The next thing that we need to talk about is how to clean label guns periodically. This should be done approximately once a month. The only part that really needs to be cleaned is the drive system itself. By putting your finger on the leading edge of the drive system, you may pull it forward and it will open. Inside, you will see either a silver knife or a red emery board. On the reverse side that touches it, you may see a lot of residue from the label itself. Just take normal, regular rubbing alcohol and clean that. That's the only thing that is required, and you'll see that by cleaning it periodically, the label guns will work much smoother for you. The only other thing that can be done at the hospital is you can adjust where the prints on the label. If you'd like the print to print higher, there's this silver slotted screw 1 inch behind the black rubber roller. If you turn it counterclockwise 360 degrees, the label print will come up. If you turn it 360 degrees clockwise, the print will go down. By doing that adjustment, you can keep your print in the right spot on your pre-printed labels. That is all that's involved, okay, in you handling and being able to take care of your label gun on a daily basis. Should the label gun not perform in a very smooth manner and require service, please send it to MedLabel Incorporated, 4 Briarhurst Drive, Flanders, New Jersey, 07836, and we will promptly repair your label guns and have them returned with approximately 36 hours. Should you need any other information, please feel free to contact us at 1-800-522-3510. We're here to serve you, our customers, and we'd love to hear from you. Thank you very much, and we hope that you have found this video very helpful.